Creating an online course website in WordPress is achievable with these steps. Select the domain and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects your course content. Purchase a hosting plan from a reliable provider and install WordPress. Install WordPress. Use the hosting provider's control panel to install WordPress on your domain. Choose a WordPress theme. Select a theme suitable for an online course website. Themes like LearnDash, Lifter LMS, or Tutor LMS are specifically designed for e-learning. Install a learning management system plugin. Install and activate an LMS plugin like LearnDash, which helps create and manage courses, lessons, and quizzes. Create courses and lessons. Using the LMS plugin, start building your courses. Organize content into lessons, topics, and quizzes. Add multimedia elements like videos, PDFs, and quizzes. Set up user registration. Configure user registration and login. You can use plugins like Wordpress or Restrict Content Pro to restrict access to paid courses. Payment gateway integration. Integrate the payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, or WooCommerce to accept payments for your courses. Design and customize. Customize your website's appearance, including fonts, colors, and logos. Make sure the design is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Content protection. Protect your course content by restricting access to enrolled students only. Create a blog. Add a blog section to share valuable content related to your courses and improve SEO. Launch your website. Test your courses, review content, and ensure all links and features work correctly. Then, launch your website to the public. Market your courses. Promote your courses through social media, email marketing, SEO, and paid advertising. Provide customer support. Offer customer support channels like email or a forum to assist students with queries. Regularly update and improve. Continuously update your course content, fix any issues, and improve the user experience.